Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Nagratna ma'am and today we are going to learn real numbers from class 10 mathematics. In today's class, we are going to understand real numbers in a very easy way. This chapter is very important for your board exam. So dear students, real numbers. First, we have here introduction, the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, revisiting irrational numbers and proof of irrationality of root 2, root 3 and root 5. So let us discuss about real numbers. Real numbers meaning all numbers that can be represented on the number line are called real numbers. We already know that real numbers includes natural numbers, means counting numbers 1, 2, 3 so on, and whole numbers, natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers, and the integers, natural numbers, whole numbers and their negative numbers is integers group, and the fractions are rational numbers. It means the numbers can be expressed in the form of p by q where q is not equal to 0. For example, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 5. See here, I wrote here 0.25. It means after the decimal point the 2 digit only is there. It means after the decimal point the digit end up with the 2 digits, so it is called terminating. Here one example I given 0.333 dash dash so on. So it means 3 is repeating after the decimal point. It is called recurring. It means decimal expansion of a rational number is a terminating and or a repeating. Next, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers means the numbers that cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. So for example is root 2, root 3 and pi. Why pi? Because pi value is 22 by 7 and the decimal value of the pi is 3.142 dash. It means we have a after the decimal point numbers digit will continuous, so it is a irrational number. Next, decimal expansion of a irrational number is a non-terminating and a non-repeating. Just terminating means after the decimal point digit will end up, and repeating after the decimal point the digit continuously it is repeating. So here difference between the rational and the irrational numbers. First we know about the definitions. It means what is the meaning of the rational numbers. Rational numbers can be expressed in the form of p by q and q is not equal to 0. Irrational numbers cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. Next, decimal expansion of rational numbers terminates and or repeats. Decimal expansion of irrational numbers never ends and never repeats. So example you can say 3 by 4 or 0, 5, these all are example for the rational numbers. And irrational number is root 2, pi. We can say root 4 or root 9 because it is when we remove the square root will get 3 and square root of 4 is what 2. So it is a rational number. So let us discuss about prime factorization. So it is very important concept in this chapter. First we would know about what are the prime numbers. Prime numbers means the numbers having here only two factors, 1 and the number itself. It means the numbers are divisible by 1, otherwise that number itself. They are called prime numbers. For example 2, 3, 5. Okay. So here composite numbers also we can learn. Here composite meaning the numbers which have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. For example 4, 6 you can take. Here 4 is having the more than 2 factors, 1, 2, 4, and similarly 6 it is also having more than 2 factors, so they are called composite numbers. So first what is the meaning of prime factorization? Expressing a number as a product of a prime numbers is called a prime factorization. Let us see here one example, 36. How to write here by prime factorization? See here 36. It means already we know normal division, so you can take here least prime number, that is 2, and divide it 2 ones are 2. It means 3 minus 2, again 1 left, so it is now 16. 2 8s is 16. Next 2 9s is 18, again 9 is there, we can take here 3, and 3 3s are 9, again 3 1s are 3. So the product of prime numbers here 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Again 48. How to do 48 here? See here again you can take here least prime number, that is 2, divide it. 2 2s are 4, again 8 is there, 2 4s are 8. Next 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Next 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are, next 3 1s are. So here 2 is comes here 4 times and 3 is 1 time. So this is way it's called a prime factorization. Condition is nothing but here divide by smallest prime numbers. It means 2 3 5 you can take first, then your sum will be easy, and continue till the quotient becomes 1. Okay, now we will learn about HCF. What is the meaning of HCF? HCF means highest common factor. Okay, here remember this word, greatest number that divides two or more numbers. Why? Because divides is very important word here. The greatest number that divides two or more numbers, it is called HCF. See, already we done here prime factorization of 36 and 48. So 36 can be written as here 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2, and 48 can be written as 2 to the power 4 into 3. Now see here HCF meaning highest common factor. So you know highest opposite word is lowest. So we can say here, take here a common lowest powers. Okay, so in these two factors, which is the common and which is the lowest power? See, 2 is here also factor of 36, and similarly 2 is a 48 factor also. So you can take here 2, and which is the lowest power? 2 to the power 2 is the lowest power, into 3. Therefore 2 to the power 2 meaning 2 we can multiply 2 times. 2 into 2 is 4. Then 4 into 3 is 12. Therefore your HCF of 36 and 48 is 12. Remember this one trick, take common prime factors with the smallest powers. Use this rule, it is very easy to find the HCF of the numbers. What is the rule? Common plus minimum power. Common plus minimum power. Now we will learn about LCM. LCM meaning what? Lowest common multiple. Okay, there here smallest number divisible, it is the smallest number divisible by the given numbers is called LCM. Let us we consider the same example, 36 and 48. Already we know that prime products. Here 36 can be written as 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2, and 48 can be written as 2 to the power 4 into 3. See here I told you already LCM means lowest opposite is highest. So you can take here highest powers. Okay, so 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 2. 2 to the power 4 meaning 2 we can multiply 4 times, then we'll get 16. 3 we can multiply 2 times, then we'll get 9. 16 into 9 is 144. Remember this, take all prime factors with the biggest power. So here all plus maximum power. Remember all plus maximum power. So